about ongoing rally both in global markets and Indian markets. I'm hearing a lot on social media that this rally is fake, this rally is not real, there is a bubble in a rally. Friends, I like to say that those who have missed the rally are saying that this is a bubble, this is not a real rally. This rally is a real rally, friends. There is a saying in Hindi, आजकल अंगूर खट्टे हैं. Those who have missed the rally are the only one who are saying that this rally is not real, there is a bubble in the rally. And I'll prove this by showing you the data, by showing you the charts, and my strong belief is that the ongoing rally both in global markets and in Indian markets can extend from here on for another 15 to 20% without any significant correction in between. Yes, friend, both global markets and Indian markets can demonstrate a rally, 15 to 20% rally from here on without any significant correction in between. And to prove this, to support this, I'll show you some charts. And friends, firstly, I'll show you the chart of Dow Jones Industrial Average. So friends, this is the stock price chart of daily stock price chart of Dow Jones Industrial Average. And over here, if you see, friends, these were the levels just prior to the COVID, when the meltdown in the markets, global markets due to COVID happened. Now Dow Jones Industrial Average has cracked those levels, friends. It has cracked those levels. And most important, friends, if I enlarge the chart, stock prices are making rounding bottom pattern formation. And rounding bottom pattern formation, although the rounding bottom pattern formation is theoretically more of a reversal pattern, but it's making in a continuation and with the cracking of a big neckline. So the technical chart structure of the Dow Jones looks very positive. Friends, we have seen the chart of Dow Jones Industrial Average. The chart structure is positive. The indices is showing a breakout above the pre-COVID highs, and as of now, breakout is accompanied with the formation of rounding bottom pattern formation, and this pattern formation is considered extremely bullish. As per charts, Dow Jones Industrial Average can demonstrate a non-stop rally, a big rally of 15 to 22% from here on without any big significant correction in between. Now friends, we'll see the chart of Nasdaq. Now friends, this is a weekly chart of our Nasdaq, and over here if you see, friends, over here if you see, these were the levels just prior to the COVID. These levels are around 9785 levels. These levels are cracked. We have already seen a rally. The current now the Nasdaq Composite Index is trading at around 12,464, and post cracking of this neckline we have already seen a 20% rally in Nasdaq Composite Index, friends. Now I'll show you a daily chart, friends. Over here if you see, friends, it's making a big rounding bottom pattern formations. Although the corrections will come and go, but the chart pattern is very bullish, friends. So friends, just now we have seen the chart of Nasdaq, and over here we have seen when the pre-COVID highs 9785 levels were cracked on Nasdaq, we have seen a 27% rally in Nasdaq, and as of now the Nasdaq Composite Index is trading at around 12,460 levels. Chart pattern is clearly positive. A big rounding bottom pattern formation is there. The chart patterns, one thing, the chart pattern which clearly says that no big correction in near future, no big significant correction in near future, and the chart structure clearly suggests that another double digit rally from here on in the Nasdaq is possible. Now friends, let's see the chart of S&P 500. So friends, this is the stock price chart of S&P 500. Over here if you see, these were the levels of 3380. These were cracked, went up and down. Current levels of S&P 500 index is 3666. 8% rally post breakout. Now I'll show you a friends daily chart, and friends, if you see the daily chart, over here again a breakout, friends, over here again a breakout, and with a breakout a rounding bottom pattern formation, friends. Over here, friends, a rounding bottom pattern formation. Friends, we have seen in the chart of S&P 500, as and when the 3380 levels were cracked on the chart, we have seen a big rally, 8% rally in the S&P 500, and 3380 were the levels, were the highs just before the crack in the market before COVID. So 3380 was an important pivot. As and when that pivot was cracked, we have seen a 8% rally, and as of now we are again seeing a breakout, a rounding bottom pattern formation. So here also the chart structure is suggesting the possibility of another 8-10% double digit rally from here on. Now friends, till now we have seen the charts of the benchmark US indices. Now I will show you the chart of the CBOE VIX, that is Chicago Board Option Exchange VIX. Now friends, this is the chart of CBOE Volatility Index. Basically it's a chart of a Chicago Board Option Exchange VIX chart, and over here if you see friends, in the month of Feb prior to COVID, Chicago Board VIX was trading at around 11-12 levels, and right now it's around 20 and a half levels. Volatility is not there, and friends, it's a very misconception that VIX only increases with the decline in the market. Basically VIX is a difference of opinion friends. In the 2008 when the market declined due to the Lehman crisis, at that time the VIX increased because at that time nobody believed that market could decline. And in the 2009 when the market again declined and made a new low, cracked the 2008 lows, at that time VIX has not cracked to decline to the intensity with which it has declined in 2008, because at 2009 everybody believed market can decline. As of now, if you see VIX is declining, that means there is a consensus among the big players that market will rally. There is a consensus, and I don't think market is going to make a top. US market, US benchmark indices are not going to top out until unless this VIX declines to around 11 to 13 levels. So a big percentage is there, 11 to 13 levels. So I think no fear until unless this VIX declines to historically low levels of around 11, 12, 13. So friends, as per VIX, the full comfort is there. So friends, we have seen like US VIX is trading at around 20 levels, and in the month of Feb, the VIX was at around historical low levels of around 12. So friends, as per VIX, like we have seen a big decline in US markets when the VIX was as low as 11, 12, 13, and as of now the VIX is around 20. So my analysis say that we are not going to see a big crack in the US market until unless US VIX declines to the levels of around 11, 12, 13 levels. So sufficient margin of safety is there, and as per my reading of VIX, I am not seeing any vertical decline in any US benchmark indices. Now friends, let's see the chart of the Nifty. Now friends, this is a Nifty 50 chart. This is a Nifty 50 chart, and we have cracked COVID highs, pre-COVID highs on this candle, and thereafter no looking back friends. No looking back friends. Nifty is in an uncharted territory. The technical structure is very weak. Each and every correction is a buying opportunity friends. So friends, we have seen the chart of the Nifty, and we have seen a vertical rally in Nifty. Like right now the Nifty is trading at around 13,200 levels. As and when the 12,400 mark, the pre-COVID high was cracked, we have seen a vertical rally. No big corrections, no deep corrections. All the corrections were very short-lived. No big corrections we have seen. The chart structure is clearly positive. Now friends, let's see the chart of the India VIX. So friends, this is the India VIX chart, and currently India VIX is at around 18s. We are at a new all-time highs. As per VIX, no fear is there, and friends, historically I don't think there is any danger until unless VIX trades at around 11, 12 levels. These are historically lows, so Nifty top is not going to be made. In between corrections would be there. No Nifty top until and unless India VIX cracks below 12 levels, trades around 12 levels. So friends, we have just seen a chart of India VIX. As of now, India VIX is trading at around 18 levels, and historical lows are of around 12 levels. So we are still a decent distance away from the historic lows, and I don't think we are going to see a big decline in the near future. Big correction. It's not a possibility to me. So friends, we have seen the charts of US benchmark indices, India Nifty 50, India VIX, US VIX. So chart structures are clearly positive. Chart structure of the indices, chart structure of the VIX is clearly suggesting that both US benchmark indices and the Nifty 50 can rally 15 to 20% from here without any big fall from here on. In between, we might see some sharp corrections, but these sharp corrections would be very short-lived. I am not expecting a deep correction, a deep long-lived correction. We might see a level of 15,000 on Nifty on the upside without any deep correction, and by deep correction I mean 15,000 first, and without Nifty cracking 12,000 levels on the downside. We might see 15k levels on the upside. In between, sharp corrections will come, they will come and go, but those corrections would be an opportunity to buy friends. As of now, the structure of the US benchmark indices and the Nifty 50 is clearly positive, and my target is 15,000 on the Nifty without Nifty cracking 12,000 levels